Christmas baking is always special, and today I am sharing one of the most beautiful bread you can make for the festive season. Star bread. Traditionally, star bread is known for its stunning shape, soft pull-apart layers and a filling that hides inside every twist. It's often made sweet, but this time I have gone for a savory version filled with herbs and cheese. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's make Christmas star bread. Start by measuring 350 grams of bread flour in a bowl. To this, add 1 tablespoon of instant dry yeast and 2 teaspoons of sugar, giving it a quick mix with the help of a balloon whisk. Now add the salt, mix once again and keep this dry mixture aside. In another measuring bowl, take 250 ml of warm milk and add 2.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to it. Give it a nice mix. Now into the stand mixer, I add the prepared dry flour mixture and pour in the milk and oil mixture completely. Knead this in the stand mixer until a smooth soft dough is formed. Once the dough is ready, cover the bowl and let it proof for about 1.5 hours or until it doubles in size. After proofing, the dough has risen beautifully. Gently degas it, transfer it into a light dusted surface and divide it into 4 equal portions. Each portion is shaped into a smooth ball and kept aside. Dividing the dough evenly is important here. Equal portions give you uniform layers, and that's what creates those clean, beautiful twists in the final star. This step might look simple, but it's what sets the foundation for that stunning star shape we are going to create. Now roll each dough ball one by one into 8 to 9 inch round discs. Try to keep each disc as even as possible. The closer they are in size, the more defined the star will look after baking. Don't worry if the edges are not perfectly round. Once layered and shaped, everything comes together beautifully. Now let's prepare the filling. In a bowl, combine chopped parsley, ricotta cheese, parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, dried garlic powder, salt and pepper. Mix everything well and the savory filling is ready. This filling is very versatile. You can easily customize it with what you have: sauteed spinach, sun-dried tomatoes, olives, or even a touch of chili flake. You can also prepare this filling ahead of time and keep it refrigerated until you are ready to assemble. Now that everything is ready, it's time to start layering. Take one rolled dough and evenly spread softened melted butter on top. Then gently spread the filling all over. When spreading the filling, use a gentle hand. You don't want to press it into the dough. Just let it sit slightly on top so the layers can rise and separate beautifully in the oven. These layers are what gives star bread its signature pull-apart texture. Butter creates softness, the filling adds flavor, and the dough traps air between each layer. That combination is what gives you those flaky, fluffy strands when you pull the bread apart after baking. Take your time with each step. So basically, I rolled one dough and evenly spread the softened melted butter on top. Then I gently spread the filling all over. Then placing another rolled dough on the top and repeat. Butter followed by filling, and continue this layering 3 times. And for the top layer, don't apply anything. Now let's shape the bread. Place a small glass in the center and make 8 even indents around it. After removing the glass, make 16 equal cuts keeping the center intact. To shape the star, take two adjacent stripes, twist them in opposite direction, twist it twice and pinch the ends together. Repeat this all around until a beautiful star is formed. Brush the bread generously with softened butter and sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Let it rest for 10 minutes while the oven preheats to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the bread at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, then broil it on high for 2 minutes. Once baked and straight out of the oven, brush a generous amount of butter all over, every layer, every twist. And here it is, the finished Savory's Christmas star bread. The surface is beautifully golden and glossy, and every twist is clearly defined. As you pull it apart, you can see how soft and fluffy the layers are inside. Each strand separates effortlessly, revealing that rich, cheesy, herby filling tucked between the layers. Perfect for Christmas festive gatherings or any day you want to bake something a little extra special. Soft, glossy, and absolutely worth the time. Layer by layer, twist by twist, this is where simple dough turns into something truly special. You can find the full recipe in the description below. If you enjoyed this bake, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, enjoy and happy baking!